All right, so today I have Kelly with me. Kelly, thanks for jumping on. You've got the whole COA system set up, and since you started running ads, you've got over 100 leads come in, and you even got your first sale over the line. Tell me more about it. How does that feel?
It feels wonderful. It really does. I knew deep down that the program that I have is something that people want and need, and having a sale off of the Facebook ads just validates that.
Awesome stuff. Now, tell me, where were you before you joined COA?
So I have had my program up and running for about 9 months now. I had been doing this before, so I guess I should just maybe explain what I do.
Yeah.
So I help insomnia sufferers through an 8-week program that helps them to manage and possibly even eliminate their insomnia. And
Mhm.
I've been doing that for years under a physician. And about 9 months ago, I did jump out on my own and create my own program.
Oh,
So I've been
wow.
doing that for a while. I have my own website. I had all of that set up, right? I just didn't have the lead flow or
The
anything
lead
like
flow.
that, which is why I wanted to join with COA.
Awesome. Yeah, awesome. And thanks for giving a little bit of context. So, what would you say you've enjoyed the most so far? Some people talk about the process, the main program, that it's step-by-step modules that you can follow. Others talk about the support. You have the team behind you to ask and answer questions throughout the week. And then others say it's the assets, it's the funnels, the templates, the closer process, the ad copy. What would you say you've enjoyed most since you've joined us?
I would say overall the modules, it's just been a very easy way to kind of
Mhm.
go through these things at my own pace. If I need to pause and rewind and rewatch, which is
Yeah.
something I have done. That part of it I really do find valuable and amazing. When it comes to funnels and the Facebook ads, I knew
Yeah.
nothing. I mean, really nothing. And so it's been an invaluable process to learn about that stuff at my own pace, and then of course to be able to put it into action. So overall, I mean, I do. I absolutely love the system. It's just a matter of refining things and getting them to tweak towards my personal niche.
For sure, yeah, and that's part of the process, right? Now that the system is up and running, you're getting that lead flow. Now we refine our message, and then we continue to improve, right? So,
Yes.
what would you tell someone then that's sort of on the line or might be interested in joining COA?
To be completely honest with me personally, I would tell them you're going to learn things that you probably never expected to learn, and in a good way, right? I mean, there are so many things that you don't know, and you have to know that you don't know them, right? And so I think
Mhm.
going in with the mindset that you are going to learn new things about business, about ads, about funnels, about sales, you're going to learn so many things about yourself that are going to, make you better overall.
For sure. No, I appreciate you saying that. And yeah, just thank you for coming on. Nice, short and sweet. I appreciate your feedback. And yeah, well done on getting the system set up. Well done on getting the leads coming in. And let's keep going. And we're excited to keep bringing in those sales. So thanks again for coming on, and we'll talk soon.
Thank you.